Devin Booker continues to build steady momentum with his second signature sneaker, the Nike Book 2, and his latest on-court appearance has revealed a fresh new colorway worth watching. Spotted during warm-ups in Los Angeles, Booker wore the Nike Book 2 Spiridon, offering a clear nod to early 2000s Nike running heritage. While the Book 2 debuted earlier this season, this version leans deeper into nostalgia with metallic silver mesh, bold red accents on the swoosh and branding, and black overlays that add depth and contrast to the upper. The overall look balances retro inspiration with a clean, modern finish. Underfoot, the Book 2 keeps its low-profile midsole and smooth rocker shape, designed for a responsive movement and court feel. This colorway reflects Booker's design philosophy of simplicity paired with subtle history. The Nike Book 2 Spiridon is expected to release ahead of the 2026 NBA All-Star Weekend in Los Angeles, with official details to follow on Nike.com.